QQQ option calendar trade details. Yesterday I purchased QQQ option call strike price $312 for $105 and QQQ option put 278 strike price for $110. I purchased these two yesterday. July 20th, I sold both the options. I sold call for $148. I sold put for $87. From the call side, I got $43 profit, and from the put side, I lost $23. So my total profit is $20. My investment is $215. Profit percentage equal to 20 divided by 215 percentage equal to 9.3 percentage. Last 3 days trade profit percentage 84 divided by 194 equal to 43 percentage.